our multicolor animal print top, which is absolutely stunning. The videos and pictures do not do it justice. It is a beautiful, soft, silky feel fabric. It's got a little bit of detail on the shoulder, and it's got a beautiful, longer open sleeve. I'm in love with the feel of it, with the fit. It's got a small little zip up the back just for a little bit of detail. And you can see it's got a little bit of length if you wanted to wear it out. But I love this style tucked in with jeans. I think it just looks absolutely gorgeous. In terms of the sizing, it is true to size. I am a 34, 36, and this is a medium, and it fits perfectly. This fabric is just next level gorgeous, ladies, and you can choose whether you want to bring out the hot pink or the peachy color or the minty green or the gray. You can wear it with so much, and it is so elegant, and I'm in love. I'm in love, ladies. I'm in love.